Welcome to an insightful journey into the realm of bedroom design, where every detail matters and every mistake holds a lesson. Today, we unveil 5 common bedroom layout mistakes and their swift solutions. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a quest to transform your sleeping sanctuary. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong bedside table. In the dim glow of night, reaching for that glass of water shouldn't be a feat of acrobatics. It's time to elevate your bedside experience by selecting the perfect table height, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics align seamlessly with your slumbering needs. Mistake number 2, limiting your lighting. In the dance of shadows and light, your bedroom deserves a symphony of illumination. Let task lighting and adjustable ambient glows intertwine, crafting an atmosphere that adapts to your every whim, whether it's diving into a novel or simply drifting into dreams. Get smart with Philips Hue bulbs, effortlessly controlling the luminance with a mere whisper to Siri, transforming your bedroom into a realm of technological elegance and unparalleled comfort. Mistake number 3, placing area rugs in the wrong spot. Picture this: each morning, your feet greet the day with a soft caress, courtesy of a strategically positioned rug. Say goodbye to chilly awakenings and hello to the warmth of thoughtful design. Mistake number 4, not giving your tech a proper home. In the age of digital slumber, our devices often find refuge by our bedside. Embrace cord control and provide your gadgets with a sanctuary of their own, ensuring a clutter-free haven where tranquility reigns supreme. Mistake number 5, forgetting to Feng Shui your bed. Channel the ancient wisdom of Feng Shui and orchestrate the perfect alignment of your bed, harmonizing energy flow and practicality in one graceful motion. Embrace the command position, where serenity and balance converge, inviting restful nights and rejuvenating mornings. As we conclude our journey through the landscape of bedroom design, remember that every mistake is but a stepping stone towards enlightenment. So, dare to dream, dare to design, and may your bedroom forever be a sanctuary of peace and inspiration.